We will learn how to embed Calendly link into Voiceflow Chatbot directly, so users can schedule times here directly in their chatbot. Check the link below for my real estate agency AI Voiceflow Chatbot course. First, we will create our Calendly page, so go here to create. I'm not gonna show how to create this. Basically, you're gonna have something like this. You can find YouTube tutorials, and you just need to copy this link. So let me go back, and I'm gonna copy this link here. Now go to any YouTube video that exists and right click and
others, but I will just move this start
and copy embed code. You just need this code, so let's go here to start Voiceflow, and I'm gonna say talk text, and I will just paste this embed code. So this is our embedding. I'm gonna remove this URL, and so in source equals and then quotes, I'm gonna make a new variable. So in curly brackets, I'm gonna say Calendly underscore URL. It doesn't matter the name of the variable, and then I'm gonna click here to create this variable. So now we have source is equal to quotes and then Calendly URL. So you have to let me actually delete this title first. So you can delete this title if you want of your YouTube, and make sure to delete the quotes as well. So you can never put URL here. You need to put a variable here because it will not work in Voiceflow. There is some kind of bug. So we need to set this URL. So I'm gonna go here, copy my URL, or you can just copy it as I said by pressing this copy link. And now we need to go to logic set. So make a set above all of this, and we need to set this variable to this URL. So it's a URL, so it's Calendly URL, and I'm gonna make quotes, paste this Calendly link and close quotes. Now I'm gonna Control A and Control C to copy everything, because there is some bug, because if I move this away it will not be saved, so I need to do it 2 times. So I need to paste it again, or actually I need to paste it again, and then click somewhere here, and then it will be saved. So you need to do it 2 times, and then below, so it should work already. So let me delete this path and connect to this block, and let's start, and it should work. In a few moments it will load. Now you can see that it's a bit messed up, but you need to adjust width and height here manually. So here you can click here towards the top of the second this node, and then you need to set this width and height. So for me it's 450 and 400 that works the best. And then I will start again. I can click here, and I can share prototype and open in new tabs, so I can have a better understanding and better view of this. Start conversation. It will take a few moments to load, and we have this embedded. If you want to learn how to embed 3D property view into your Voiceflow chatbot, so buyers can go through this house that your clients, real estate agents, are selling, check the link below, where you will learn how to build this into your Voiceflow for your real estate AI automation agency. These are the photos as well. We have details, we have Google Map. To learn how to get this into your Voiceflow, check the link below.